Hello student, myself Patare Nirutti from Prabhadur Naranrao Boroke College, Srirampur, District Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. Today we have seen in electrostatics standard 12 electrical energy of a 2-point charges and of a dipole in an electric field. Dipole means two poles, that is, there are two charges. Now the system is assembled to a number of charges and the system is get electrified. Now in a system, suppose the charges is moves from infinity to the respective locations. In the absence of any charge initially, there is no any external work against the charge which is produces the electric field. So initially when one of the charge is brought from infinity to the respective locations, there is no any external work has done, that is work is zero. So electrostatic potential energy, we can define electrostatic potential energy of a system of point charges is defined as the total amount of work done to assemble the system of charges, by bringing the charges from infinity to their present locations. Now in a article potential energy of a system of 2-point charges, system, suppose here x, y and z. Now there is origin. System consists of x, y and z axis. Now in that systems, suppose the charge is q1 is located at point A. Now so q1 charge is located at point A and their distance from origin is r1, vector r1. Here initially the charge q1 is bringing from infinity to the point A. There is no any work done because in the system there is no any charges present. So due to this any external force does not exert on charge q1 when the charge q1 is moving from infinity to that point, that is at point A. So the work done is 0. So W1 is 0 and this work done is a 0 because initially there is no any charges present in the systems. These charges that is Q1 charges, produces a potential in space is given by potential V1 equal 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into charge Q1 and their distance is R1 from origin. Suppose this is equation 1. Now this potential is due to charge Q1. Now another charge, suppose Q2 charge is bringing from infinity to the respective location, that is at point B, then the work done W is, we shall find out, that is point B, the distance is R12, that is distance from charge 1 to charge 2, their charge Q2, their distance is R2. Now this charge Q2 is brought from infinity to respective location, that is at point B. So therefore their work done W2 is equal to, work done W2 is equal to. Now this work done W2 is done equal to the potentials due to charge Q1 at point B. Potential at B due to charge Q1 into present charge is Q2. So therefore potential at B1 due to charge is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 by R1 into Q2. Now the potential at B due to R1, here is distance is R12, that is distance R12 is from point A to point B. So we can write here R12, that is distance from charge Q1 to charge Q2. This work done, that is W2, in bringing the two charges to their respective locations is stored as the potential energy, of the system. So therefore potential energy of the system we can write capital letter U 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 distance R12. Now this is the potential energy of the configuration of two charges in the system. Now the equation, suppose you have 2, equation 2 can be generalized for a system of number of charges. So the potential energy due to the number of charges in a system we can find out. Just like here charges Q1, charges Q2, another charges Q3, Q4 and etc. Here only we have shown the system is assembled due to two charges, that is charge Q1 and Q2. Suppose another charges Q3, Q4, Q5, Q6 and so on, the charges is bringing from infinity to their respective locations. Then the total work done of the system, and the charge consists of number of charges. We can write third another charge, suppose charge Q3 and their respective work done is suppose W3. So work done W3, we can write potential at C potential at point C due to charges Q1 and Q2 and present charge at point C is Q3. So into Q3. Therefore, the work done W3 we can write. So therefore, work done W3, that is here suppose point, another point C. Here suppose distance is R3, vector R3 is like this. Another point, suppose fourth point is D point, here D, R4 distance from the origins, etc. That is your charge at point C is Q3. Here D point charge is Q4. So we can find out one by one the work done due to the charge Q3 is 1 upon constant 4 pi epsilon naught. The potential at point C due to charges Q1 and Q2 is Q1 and their respective distance are 13, that is this distance is R13 plus another charge Q2 and their respective distance is 2, 3, that is R23. Now this distance R12, R23 into charge Q2. So therefore we can write here W3 equal 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught in bracket Q1, Q2 distance by R12 plus Q3, Q2, Q3 upon distance is R23 Yes, now this is the work done W3 due to charge Q3 bringing from infinity to the respective locations at point C. Similarly, in bringing another charge, 4 charge Q4 from infinity to the point D, and this distance is R4 from the origins is R4. So we can find out the work done W4 equal 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught is a constant. Charges Q1 into Q4 and their distance is R14 plus another charge Q2 and Q4 divided by distance R24 plus third charge, suppose Q3, Q4 distance is R34, yes, etc. So therefore, the total work done of the system is, we can write in the form of potential energy E equal to, that is summation form, constant take out of summation 1 by 4 by epsilon naught into summation form Q j suffix j Q k Q suffix k divided by R J K, that is suffix R J K, and summation limits, that is the all points, all pairs. So therefore system total potential energy of the system is, in the summation form we can write here, product of Qj, Qk and distance here R Jk, that is summation limits all pairs. Now this is the total potential energy of the system when the system consists of number of charges are moving from infinity to their respective locations, and in this way the system totally gets electrified. Now the charge, any charge is present in a space, then any charge is present in the space. Suppose point charge is Q. This charge produces electric field surrounding its space, and now this electric field influences up to a certain range. If the distance is far away from this charge, then their strength of electric field goes on reduces, that is electric intensity goes on reduces. Now if you brought another charge from infinity to the electric field of charge Q, that is to the electric field of charge produces Q. So what will happen? This charge exerts a force on another charge, and now this force is a attractive force or repulsive force depending upon the charges are present, either it is positive or negative.